Acting is movement. Acting is nothing but movement. You might say, okay, David, of course, we know acting is movement. However, how often do you move? How often do you move with purpose? How often do you move with motivation, observation, and vocalize your emotion? How do you do that? How often do you move? I'm going to give you some names that you may or may not recognize. Meisner, Chekhov, Stanislavski, Uta Hagen, Lee Strasberg. These names are famous people, famous acting coaches that helped people to move with purpose, move from their thoughts to their body. I highly recommend one or all of those techniques that I myself teach in my coaching. But let me give you something to think about. There's the conscious mind, and then there's a subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is the creative mind, but it needs a key. Imagine this. You have a key to your car, right? Okay. You have a great car. You have a great vehicle, great truck, whatever it is. It will do you absolutely no good just to sit in it. You have to use the key to start it up, correct? And then you can go places, see people, meet, and live your life. So in the same way, your key is your conscious mind. And your subconscious mind is filled with creativity. It's much, much larger than your conscious mind. That being said, let's move into the word move. The M stands for motivation. Now, what is motivation? Motivation is a feeling that we can react to, respond to, or leave alone. Let's face it. You have a free will, so do I. Many times we get up, we don't want to study, we don't want to do research, and by gum, we don't want to audition because we don't feel like it, for one reason or another. However, you are motivated. Believe it or not, you have motivation. You have motivation to get up. You have motivation to do your habitual things every single day. So do I. However, if we take our key and put it in the ignition and ignite our passion, we're going to direct our passion and we're going to move in that direction. Which brings me to the letter O. Observation. When you are driving in your vehicle, you observe things, don't you? If you don't, you're going to be in trouble. So after you have started your passion, where are you going with your observation? What are you going to study today? What conscious effort are you going to employ your subconscious mind with? Are you going to study from the greats? Are you going to make a session with your coach? What are you going to apply that igniting, that fire to exactly? Because if you do the same thing every single day, expecting different results, you know what I'm trying to say. So the motivation is very important to start the vehicle. However, the observance of what you're doing with that gas that you're applying to your acting career will give you a vision to vocalize. That's pretty good, eh? Because what you observe, what you consciously observe with your subconscious in a creative way gives you a vision, a tunnel vision, if you will, to focus on why you began this today in the first place. And then you can vocalize. Vocalization of your vision creates people to come in with energy. And you, in turn, give their energy to them. And that's the letter E. So if you want to sharpen your vision and be more motivated and more observant about where you're focusing your energy, and you want to receive the same energy parallel to your own energy from other people, then I suggest you move. Because if you don't move, there's death. Sorry, that's the way it works. If you want to energize your life, you need a vision. You need to vocalize that vision. You need to observe and sharpen your observation skills and up your motivation, i.e. get your butt going. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. tamagroup.net. tamagroup.net. Like, subscribe to this channel, and share, because that will motivate other people to move with you.